Welcome to another episode of Kitchen Revelations. Today's recipe is not only simple but extremely healthy. It's a simple sprout stir fry. So without wasting much time, let's quickly get on to the video. To start with, I have some homemade sprouts. They are rich in potassium, magnesium and fiber. Due to its high fiber content, it keeps you full for a longer period of time, thus helping weight loss. It also helps you in reducing blood pressure and cholesterol. Sprouting any form of pulses helps in increasing the vitamin C and D and protein content. That is why it is highly recommended to sprout pulses and then consume them so that you get more nutrition out of the same pulses which are consumed in the normal form. So these are green moong sprouts. Let me know in the comment section below if you want to learn how to sprout lentils or pulses at home. So to start with, I've taken a thick bottom pan, transfer these sprouted pulses into a pan. So I'll be using only half the quantity, the remaining I'll be storing in an airtight container and keeping it in the refrigerator. It will be good for around 4 to 5 days. Now before cooking, you need to wash and rinse these sprouts a couple of times. So let me wash it first. I've washed these sprouts thoroughly. Now to this I'm going to add in some salt. This is pink Himalayan salt. Pink Himalayan salt, unlike the normal iodized salt, is the purest form of salt. It is rich in minerals. It contains 80 plus minerals and elements including calcium, magnesium, potassium, copper and iron. This salt's light pink color is due to its high mineral content. Next I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Now to this I am going to add 1 to 2 glasses of water. Don't add too much water, we don't want the water to go waste after cooking. Now mix this well and cover and cook for about 5 to 10 minutes or until the sprouts turn tender. Please don't overcook them, we need them slightly crisp. So after about 10 minutes, these sprouts are nice and green and they've cooked almost 80%. So I'm switching off the flame and now let's move on to the sauteing part. So for sauteing, I've taken a cast iron pan. Cast iron pan is not just tough but it holds heat for a considerable length of time. Also during the cooking process, a small amount of iron is absorbed into your foods. So all those who are suffering from iron deficiency, please use cast iron pans for cooking rather than just popping pills. So I've added 1 tablespoon of oil to this pan and now I'm going to add 2 finely chopped onions. You can also add shallots instead of onions. They have a lot of medicinal properties and at the same time enhance flavor of the food prepared. So once the onions turn translucent, add some crushed garlic. I've not made garlic paste, I've just gently crushed them. To speeden up the sauteing process, I'm going to add a little bit of salt. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon next to it for regular updates. Click on the all option so that you get updates as and when I post. Also, please do share your feedback in the comment section and also let me know if you want to learn more healthy recipes. So next I'm going to add spices and half teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida powder or hing powder, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. We've already added turmeric in this recipe. Pepper will help you to absorb the active ingredient called curcumin in turmeric into your body. So that's the reason I've added a little bit of pepper. So once the raw smell of these spices go away, add the boiled sprouts. Now gently toss so that all these spices get mixed with these sprouts. Once you finish mixing, cover and cook for about 5 minutes. I mentioned earlier that the sprouts are just 80% cooked, so we need it to cook a little more so that it turns tender. Yeah, so our sprouts have cooked to perfection. There are not much ingredients required for making this recipe. It's really simple and easy. You can make it in no time. I hope you all liked this video. You can serve this with roti, rice or make it a simple salad. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching Kitchen Revelations.